Hi everyone, today I just wanted to announce that we've been listening to a lot of requests, easily over 100 requests, which is, for me, is crazy, for us to supply multi-choice papers. Okay, here's the rules. We are not selling direct CSWIP exam papers. I want to make that very clear. These are going to be papers that I have built and the other engineers for Carbon Arc have built based on our knowledge of CSWIP and what type of topics and the way they ask the questions. Okay, so that's the first thing here. In order to achieve that, we have now dropped onto our website free multi-choice papers. Okay, and if you go to our website, which I should be able to show you here, so this is carbonarc.co.uk, right? You will see at the top we've got a store button now. So if you click on the store button, it'll open up a store for multi-choice papers. And in here right now we have free multi-choices. So we've got one on welding processes, mechanical testing, and ASME. So that's welding procedure questions. This is only the start, but we want to keep it small to make sure the system runs properly for the website. People can get them downloaded nicely and all that type of thing. It is the first time we're doing this, and this wasn't really something that was in the plan. Okay, so it's a little bit ad hoc at the minute, and we're trying to make through it. So, you know, your support in this, your feedback, get in contact, tell us what you think. One of the things I really want to do though is make sure the multi-choices are kept as topics. So you know, if you're buying a paper, you know, you can buy a selection of welding processes, mechanical testing, NDT, British Standard, you know, materials and stuff like that, so that you can buy what you need and you're not getting like 28, 30 questions and only 5 of them are what you need to concentrate on. So you'll be able to select from here, and you'll see at the top there's a cart button and stuff. It's an automatic download, so once you pay for it, you'll get the download and you'll have it straight away, and away we go. It's all done through, you know, through our website and all that. So this should be, it's instantaneous access, I hope, right? So that's great. That should answer a couple of requests for some people and get us moving. Looking probably to issue at least a couple of new papers every month. But writing exam papers or test papers takes a long time. You know, in trying to make sure we don't just keep regurgitating the same thing and the same questions is a lot. Okay. Besides this, what else we're wanting to do is when you buy a paper, in the next week, 2 weeks maximum, you'll be able to come back to our website and book a one-to-one. Okay, these are going to be £50 per session. It's an hour session where you can get a one-to-one based on the exam paper you have, the multi-choice paper you have, and we can review any specific points that you need against each question. We can go into detail and talk about that for your hour, and then you can drop out and in. So, you know, you're probably looking, if the papers that we're currently selling them for $9.99 at the minute. That is less than what we've seen other people selling them for, but that's because this is a learning phase between everybody, and we want, you know, bring everybody along for the ride. But to do a paper and then go through it is a one-to-one with me or one of my engineers is going to be £60, you know, and the hope is that can be as direct and as hard-hitting for you as possible, and then you can move on and away you go. So I'll keep you up to date on that next point, which is the one-to-one booking as soon as we get the system sorted and test it and make sure it puts it into my diary and shares the right information. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm terrified about the feedback, but you know, we move forward together. And with that, hopefully this helps you with your studies. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.